Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to access Shopify email. We will cover the essential steps to manage your store's email communications effectively. First, we'll look at the built-in email marketing tools available directly within your Shopify admin. Then, we'll explore how to set up email forwarding for custom domain addresses, ensuring all your customer inquiries reach you. Finally, we'll discuss best practices for managing these emails to maintain excellent customer service. Shopify's native email marketing tool is a powerful feature for engaging your customers. You can easily access it through the marketing section in your Shopify admin. Here, you'll find tools to design and send professional email campaigns promoting new products or sales. It offers a generous free tier, allowing you to send up to 10,000 emails each month without any extra charge, making it ideal for growing businesses. For a professional touch, you can set up email forwarding for your custom domain. This means emails sent to addresses like support@yourstore.com will automatically redirect to an existing email account you already use, such as a Gmail or Outlook address. You manage this within your Shopify admin under Domains. This ensures you never miss an important customer message, keeping all communications streamlined and efficient. Once your emails are forwarding, managing them effectively is key. Utilize your preferred email client, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or another service, to handle all incoming messages. Create specific folders or labels to categorize inquiries, such as orders, returns, or general questions. Aim to respond to customer emails within 24 hours to maintain high satisfaction and build strong relationships with your valued customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.